Good day, my name is Sufat Oyinkosola Afolabi, and today I'll be talking about two main concepts in quantitative research: validity and reliability. And I'm going to break it down simply. Reliability is consistency, and validity is accuracy. So, if I carry out a research today and I do the same thing under the same condition with the same resources, then I should get similar results, which means that it is actually reliable. I have used a reliable source. Validity goes a step further. It asks, am I actually measuring what I set out to measure? So is it valid? Now, why does this matter? Because in research, especially quantitative research, our data must not just be consistent, it must also be meaningful. If your results keep changing every time, then they're not reliable and you can't trust them. But here's the interesting part. You can have results that are consistent, yet completely wrong. That means that the study is reliable, but not valid. And we want our researches to be both valid and reliable. So reliability alone is not enough. For research to be useful, it must also be valid. In fact, validity depends on reliability, because if your data is not consistent, it cannot be accurate. So it's actually intertwined. As a researcher, there are practical things I will do to ensure both reliability and validity. First, I'll be very clear about my research objectives. What exactly am I trying to measure? Then I make sure my tools like the questionnaire or assessments actually align with that goal. Using already tested and validated instruments is always a smart move. Secondly, I'll run a pilot test. This is something I always emphasize in training. It helps you to catch unclear questions, gaps, or weaknesses before the main study. I would also use simple statistical checks to confirm that my results are consistent over time. And beyond that, I ensure that the entire data collection process is standardized. Same instructions, same approach, and well-trained data collectors. That way, we reduce biases and improve the quality of our results. So to wrap it up, reliability gives us consistency, validity gives us accuracy, and we need both to produce research that we can truly trust and use. Thank you very much for listening.